To pair a Bluetooth device using the navigation system, press the Setup button on the bottom right of the touchscreen. Then, select Bluetooth on the screen. The Bluetooth menu allows you to register devices, connect phone, or connect portable player. To use the phone or play audio, the device must be paired and connected to the system. The detailed Bluetooth settings screen shows technical details where you can turn Bluetooth on or off, edit the system's name, and change the passcode. Press the back arrow to go back. To pair a phone, select Registered Devices. A list of devices already paired will appear. You can register up to 5 devices, but only one can be connected to the system at a time. Selecting Details allows you to edit the names of the devices. To pair a phone, make sure the Bluetooth feature on your device is active. Then, select Add New. From your phone, select the vehicle's device name displayed on the screen. Many phones pair automatically or display a confirmation screen that you'll need to agree to on the device, and some devices may require a passcode to be entered. The system provides one on the Connect Bluetooth screen. Once the system connects with the device, a confirmation screen will appear. If the connection fails, follow the on-screen guidance to try registering the device again.
Rocking and a rolling, wheeling and a dealing, and keys on that ice.